home. Our new home.
May new magic recipes sa likod ng Maggie Magic Sarap pa. Subukan na. When it comes to frizz, don't waste your time.
This is Mama.
Go straight to the solution. Green
Lapang sofa.
with hair reborn technology that gives you up to 4 times straighter hair.
The dining set.
Your hair like cream silk.
Wala pa kami tayo.
Let me mix it over there. Yo. Mamaya sabihin.
Mamaya. Nagaganyan mo siya.
You're in a busy street. The extra critical when you're backing out.
This is alright.
Just turn around and really look. Maybe these drivers are in a hurry. They're just in a hurry to go home and bump into the reverse absent-mindedly. They just, reverse into traffic. And
Smart
it must be because of
fan.
maybe you're supposed to have reverse lights.
So,
To get some
and there's... Oh.
and reverse.
Oh my god. Mommy, the frog is approaching. Ang lapit niya na. Oh, dikit. This is our house.
Be aware that there are people that reverse without thinking, without looking, and you be the one to make sure that you see them first and iwasan mo na.
Tingin mo, bakit kami ganun mga aksidente?
Carelessness naman din siguro yun. Reverse naman po
Ito namin. Dito ako. Ayan, this is my bed. Teka, ano to? Oh, patala ni sister. And this is me. Hello! My mirror set. Our shoes na hindi naman nagagamit na. CPA reviewers ni Ate Nix. Ito naman ang aming cabinet. Basta. Yan, mga perfumes na hindi nagagamit. This is my perfume. Yan. Plus, don't shop, syempre. My lens. Oh, sorry. My lens. Hindi ko nagagamit yan. Then, here's my brown lens. Hindi ko na din ginagamit. May false eyelashes. Hair curlers. And stuff like that. Nail sets. Here, these are, kung ano connect. Yan ang sister ko, Nikki. And, magulo. Cell phones. And my accessories. Here. Flowers. And stuff. This is my favorite toy. I love this. Sorry. My clearing bottle. Second here. And stuff like this. Books. My sister's 10. It's all hers from there. And my sister's award. Athens flag. And this is mine. Nice. And that's I think goodbye. Ano ba? Hanger. Ayan. Magulo. Washing machine. Ayan. Magulo. Ayan. Let's turn the light.
Magic sarap para sa akin, kompleto. Sa kailangan, pampasarap, kaya level up ang sarap. Pasok pa sa tibig at bilis.
Yep!
Ano naman?
Si Mama, ang gulo ng kanyang kwarto. Kung anik-anik.
Bakit ba gusto mo makita yung kapangitan?
Ayan, ang kanyang kwarto. Bye-bye.
Patay mo.
Patay ka?
Libro na. Patay mo sa labas.
Anong libro?
Libro.
Anong libro?
Isa pusoy. Alam ko lang gusto mo basahin.
Let's go back again to my car room. Where is that pusoy? Can't find it eh. Ewan ko, hindi ko mahanap. Ayan. Living room and dining room. Ayan. Siyempre, ito ang outline namin.
Alright guys, we are down to our last chance. He's coming in at number
Parang dalawang ano. Sometimes, Jesus, sometimes. Mama Mary, ang
slows
cute.
down a person's reflexes and impairs his reasoning while convincing him that he is competent to drive and his motor skills are unaffected.
Walang lalasing na umaming lasing. In terms of reaction, alertness, ang laki na wala kasi ng alcohol will reduce your driver's acumen to a lesser degree na
Ayun, thank you po for
First thing you can do. Because when you buy alcohol, not only do your reflexes slow down, you're more
Ayan,
dangerous.
bye-bye.
Yes, ang mga nakikita ng respect ko pag na-accidente sa bukod. Hanggang wala tayong batas, hanggang wala tayong penalties sa mga nag-drive na nakaino, patuloy yan.